Ever wish you could show Franklin Electric's technical support team or your own internal crew the settings you are working with in the field? With FE Connect, you can. Using the one-to-one service feature available via the app's main menu, installers can temporarily give access to Franklin Electric's support team or their own internal experts. Let's show you how to use this feature. Before starting your one-to-one connection, first, make sure you have the latest version of FE Connect installed from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Second, pair your Franklin Electric product through the FE Connect mobile app by scanning a QR code or entering the Bluetooth key. To determine if your product is compatible with FE Connect, reference our website. Third, make sure you have a solid Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Intermittent connectivity can cause the app to load slowly or fail to track changes. To share your connection to the product with an off-site professional, select the one-to-one feature from the menu options. Next, select Begin One-to-One Session. This will generate a unique code. Stay in the app while you wait. Once you receive this code, communicate it as soon as possible to the off-site professional. After the off-site professional enters the code, you should see the connection request within a few seconds. Next, choose your sharing mode. The handoff mode provides real-time programming access for the off-site professional to change parameters within your installation. Toggle to enable this mode. The view-only mode provides read-only capabilities. This mode is automatically enabled. Once you have chosen your sharing mode, select Accept. If you selected handoff mode, you will then be presented with an acknowledgement form. Review the statements and select Accept. Toggle handoff mode on or off at any time during your session. Now, you and an off-site professional can navigate the app independently. Monitor changes in real time by accessing the session log. View the session log to review and acknowledge what was changed during each connection session. For the best possible experience, remain in the app while connected to a one-to-one session. To end the connection, select End Session or disconnect from the current product. We hope this new feature enhances your next service call. Thanks for watching.